In this video, you'll learn how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, removing test boards, or just trying to stay organized, knowing how to safely delete a plan will help keep your workspace tidy and easier to manage. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what each action does, and point out a few things to keep in mind before you permanently remove anything. First, you'll need to open the plan you want to delete. Start in Microsoft Planner and look over to your sidebar or hub, where all of your plans are listed. This area usually shows your recent or favorite plans as well as any other plans you're part of. Take a moment to carefully choose the plan you want to delete, because once it's gone, you won't be able to get it back. Click on that plan to open it so that you can see all its tasks and buckets. With the plan open, your next step is to access the plan settings. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the plan name. This is usually displayed prominently above the taskboard. Click directly on the plan name. This might look like a simple title, but it also acts as a menu that gives you access to additional options for managing your plan. When you click the plan name, a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you can adjust things like plan details, notifications, and other settings, but for now, we're focused only on deleting the plan. Look through the list and find the option that says delete this plan. Be sure you're selecting the delete option for the entire plan, not just closing the tab or leaving the plan. Once you see delete this plan, click it to move on. Microsoft Planner will now ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the plan. This confirmation step is important because deleting a plan is permanent. A message will appear explaining that the plan and all its tasks will be permanently deleted. You'll see a checkbox that says something along the lines of, "I understand that this plan and all its tasks will be permanently deleted." Before you check that box, pause and think through whether you still need any of the information inside this plan. If there are tasks, attachments, or notes you might want later, this is the time to copy or save them elsewhere. Once you're sure you're ready, click the checkbox to confirm that you understand what's about to happen. This is Microsoft Planner's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove something important. After you've checked the confirmation box, click the delete button. Planner will process your request and the plan will be removed from your sidebar or hub along with all of its tasks. There's no recycle bin for the plan itself, so treat this as a final action. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully deleted a plan in Microsoft Planner. Whenever you're clearing out old projects in the future, just follow these same steps. Open the plan, click the plan name, choose delete this plan, confirm the warning, and delete.